office book or there.
Nyame adom yegusun kakra. Close up for na say omo co strike there. Na egumun kakra.
And the enra
from Monday no there omo adwuma but e hope say omo betimi enya an amicable resolution na omo timi a share adwuma say.
E ba ne say ya na impact no say na ya na city.
One say a lot of the work no administrative. Paperwork no mni ade baby a oye ho adwuma wi a o say ko na department I will refer to say omo take action on an issue enom ni ade no say staff no ni ho a twen adwuma no ko akiri kakra. Nti the impact is being felt really.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. I see. Minu ba ko Jabinra Bank Sipe.
Yeah.
On a manager ho.
Oh, okay.
A friend Makobing.
Yeah.
Also Chiapa. Man Chiao man deliver. Assemble and see, you know, that means say you pen say how I be home office.
Very likely. A few of the and yes staff na part of Closac. Indeed, the few ones are among part of Closac, no, they are around.
Oh, okay.
They are around, but largely, especially the departmental heads, the unit heads, no, omo take action on very pressing issues, no, don't know any around.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Anyway, na na me person common no. Last time I needing come about common fund project.
Yeah.
Honam do be free.
Okay.
If we are me ankasa me wo issues be am monitor within your area bit me aboboso. So far, these are projects because say be the footprint.
Yeah.
What do we see who say we ampa DC we here juma. We were here juma. It be legacy project. No last time about bo binum so ane ade. So far progress at the same.
You mean you ameda se mechia etiefo ne ahwefo nyina na esade nchia sonko ama mampanyina ye nyina ye di ne na ase nkakrakra na yesum no His Excellency John Dramani Mama na no pay masa achia the honorable regional minister ono nso so ye hye na se wo region ni mu na o guide ye nkakra wo dwumadi a ye di ne na ye wi ade nchia a edi ho nso so ade ama me ankasa me bra panyi the honorable member of parliament for the Aswansi constituency Ghana's Minister for the Interior, Honorable Muntaka Mubarak. Na tiefo ni ahwefo ewo asantema mu nyina titire askoroma mpommensi mu anope de nchia kese e de koma omu nyina. Na sede usi kan busa ye no. Em se projects no a ye di hudwuma no dodo no a eye projects guidelines e da ho. A ye kire enema poti a ye mfanye. Na mprimprin ya ye kasa e die projects no dodo na kona nimpa emudodo no awo hono ma ye hwe anim se na otwe bosumi mienu eda yentem no yebetimi a commission school projects ne health projects no school projects no imprempren ye ahodo miensa aye de ye no Sakafia Islamic Senior High School edru nanimu pa na de ye no Askoromampon MA Basic e honso so ye mienu in fact school projects ye ahodo 9 Askoromampon MA Basic no yeah 3 unit kindergarten block ewo ho ana yeah SS unit primary classroom block wo ho and sana yeah another 6 units classroom block with store ewo Sakafia Islamic Senior High School na yes a 12-seater toilet facility e de ama enkora no ho na obabo abo me de obi nso so a eno nso yeah another 6 unit GHS block e de ama monti school infrastructure projects no yeah ahodo 9 ana district assembly ne
oh mumu de ne 9
eye 9
se nanka ye wo se miensa
eye 9
na mumu ye 9
eye 9
government say se monye KG primary and GHS
ye de ba kwa ka ho
wow
eye 9 na nyame ncha de mampanya da romance so get farm projects bi nso so ekoso eno nso so ahyase gidigidi wo hono a eno nso koso se de be ya get farm projects no skora de ya hodo dumie no eye 12 nti project cycle we no say can the common fund area and the get fund area net as a school infrastructure we are looking at 16 dunsia askroma you know
16
sa pepepe ana ekoso
nyina ekoso anaze
nyina ekoso the last time me buy me ka say dwumadie no ye ba na ye beka na mo nso mo de mo camera se die chire na mo akwa ye bo hospitals and our health centers. Normally, yeah, na dodo na it have a chips compound, but there's a little bit of a distinction between chips compound and health centers. No, yeah, health centers. And chips compound, normally they are managed by general staff nurses or midwives. Na health centers now managed by physician assistants. Nti ye hono de ni nyina health centers. Ade say no so ye expansion. Na oba adinya say health center no ye major expansion say de be ya enkoye sabe bibi chochopia bi a ehye ba bi a entimi nye ye pese ye biem because land space no so. Nti currently ye ENT amre bi atwa me ba me boss no akona nimpa wo ho ye pharmacy enso so ansana a laboratory I betimi the lab service and so cost wo na no ba be ka maternity block wa ye ho adwuma awie ene the main hospital ye awie eno so ho adwuma no e ba be ka ho se de be ya e betimi aboa oba urban health center so asa eno so ye biemu kese pa eno so betimi aboa na accommodate ni pa no dodo na facilities a ya na emre bi atwa mu na enka ho te se lab ne scan ene ade no eno na na outpatient attendance no call no because nipa no call ho bia no a say also ye lab o just a request no dey akokuru mu akoye no asade aba enti nipa no fi say say me sorry na say me call urban health center na me ntimi nye lab na scan ho especially enu ama no amofa afuru no ene obekokuru mu preko enti no ye the sa facilities no keka ho say dey be ya akwa be one stop shop obetimi aye lab obetimi enya a very good pharmacy obetimi enya scan services ho nti adinya say health center na urban health center de expansion ye no na oba new zongo a sabon zongo eno de brand new health center eno so akona nimu pa ye ho ye pese ye de pressure no eba menhia so no efiri ho nti asonasi east and west new zongo ho ankasa na akotiala enclave ni nyina nipa e ho no ebetumi anya ho akogye ayarehwe ewo new zongo facility no na temenhia pressure no so nti eno so ekoso bi do her infrastructure projects no said e mekan no yabo schools no so yabo health centers no so yasa through partnership with private sector yasa itimia abomoden anya sports facilities ya eno so ebo amabunu no ohwe amre bi a atwamu na oba Aswanse constituency ho na Asokore Mampong district unya any ultramodern astroturf facility
yeah.
But see here can say I'm say last month your commission mienu the same day Dogomo road here no so it's around 65% complete.
Once them commission and Dogomo road
enka ho
wo come you know how am dey mania
there be aboabo me dey obi
okay
Anna Akrim Highlanders
okay
nti baby mienu a commission no nti wo be hwe a weekend ye atwa yi the honorable regional minister tournament ya odi animu denden Ashanti under 17 you know ye be ball round of 16 no ewo ho obi oba obi ehun say facility ne kama obi enije ye pa and these are a few of the interventions ye dey gu akwam say dey betimi aboa na
Intisa Astrotef no funded by
funded through the intervention of the Honorable Member of Parliament. If he say over the years no na Aswanse for Esun Astrotef one ade but o ma assurance no say ade say emra enche kura na obobo ne homoden na watimi edibi abro say dey ye dey efoforo mo because Dogomo road dia ekosu
I'm sure say no bigger than Dogomo road should be bigger than because
you know no Highlanders there no is the biggest
okay
and it will be followed by the Dogomo road
okay
but the Yeko Sawaba Galilee akoye no is supposed to be bigger than all of them because that park you know a large expanse
but omo ye ni nyina no access to the facility because since Mrantia no super bobo this is a ten argument bi no against sa Astrotef projects no say Mrantia no per bobo if you Astrotef na say you say unya access your mount access and san wetimi a training whatever that was so yeah ten ni nyina said they will can say it means that by the time amu be wie Dogomo road there no any day I can want say me say no account that's more be 4
let's say 4
ewo Aswanse Asokore Mampong
we are looking at doing around 9 or 10
access Mrantia no
arrangement ni ayaye no you try as much as possible to bring them along because maybe I call bia I catch them say person ye bia no we give them that assurance say we are I mean the opportunity to train will not be lost.
Okay.
And most of the places are every week be a number of hours are year to honma a free of charge.
Okay.
Rantiana no mo training wo hono. To me any access echo training.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. I see. I mean, that's fine. No. Legacy project. Last time it was senior high school project and I'm and then school bear.
Na Sakafia. And no na ye de na ye for no. And na school projects na ye for.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Na nke ye tre and ye de legacy no Akoma Sakafia.
That's fine. And also
in fact substantial progress. Me gidi say baby a edru no said the kind a camp projects no in the next 2 months you bet me a commission no.
Wow. Yeah. But I say what the speed no I do yes me pay.
Yeah.
Say you be call that speed but this speed no counts near quality of work.
We are combining speed with a lot of structural integrity.
Okay.
And the AMA air contemono our strategy was that Q1 a drop last year no and a share advertisement for the projects ase. Ha ebinum etwen kakra say emma be Q3 mra but Q1 drop na we knew say these were projects so we started the advert knowing very well say other quarters no be drop and se mekaya we about the second assembly yenya concurrent approval from the regional tender review committee for our projects and emma etimi e hye asientem de be ma obehu say speed wo mu ye koye nimpa.
I see. Na the health share sanitation. Sanitation to say.
Sanitation said the platform be a matana so be a makano. Say sanitation one of the biggest challenges I may face. Municipality, but in Fodu we are tackling it head on. Me face me by National Sanitation Day exercise no we've done all 9 of them ever since I assumed office. Na eno no kra yes I organize a municipal sanitation conference. I inviting him for any imam ne asofo for any major opinion leaders ni stakeholders ewo mensi ni mu nyina eba one forum any omo be discuss kwan ya nyina ebetimi afa so a ebetimi ama sanitation no ana say ahonidie ensem no akonanim ye bobo ye wie ye organize the friend of municipal wide sanitation exercise that is in one day e shall see from e pakoso e de be wie new zongo ana say sabon zongo every one of these electoral areas be ano ye concurrent cleanup exercise and himfo any imams ni asofo omo wo brono no so no omo na lead the charge any mrantie no etigu kromu a esiesie kromu kama eno ye one aspect of the ekwan ayefa so tackle sanitation no. The second aspect no assembly no ankasa supers ya ofa mention mu abuhu se ye wo tricycles abobo ya no ya trotro ho AMMA sanitation AMMA na say ama sanitation as kwama municipal assembly sanitation tricycles enamo a esesa enwura no nti supers no pra ahomache na o makọ round na o masesa ni nyina na ye dey final disposal site ni akọ disposal of
mo pramode na ahomache
good ahomache na yakọ ni akọ disposal of
before so be banner sa na netie
there be nentisa na under Zoom lion why model no now say contract na end na aban ye say assembly be handle on there nti no ye no that is how we are handling ours say a person use some model no because we feel say o ye na monitor ni year I mean it will yield results nti you will sweepers here they go around nti we say reflectors no show more ahmachi then they will be around sweeping na ya chro ama sanitation no mochi no mo pra ti o mo pra wi a na tricycles no so akọ round na asesa ni nyina na yakọ disposal and sana ye was standing team a ye from STR sanitation tricycle riders omo no blocked drains any choked gutters ni baby a unse bola na hipu ni ade no as soon as the situation is brought to our attention no we mobilize them then they move nti ubo hu say videos no say ade say ye arrangements for ho anka ubo hu omo wo hu say ye choked drains mu any ade air claim kama say be ya ensuo no betumi flow nti these are some of the interventions I mean him say sanitation sem no the last one nti me na hu say me gina mu ameti honorable regional minister so be boa me a ye nyina ye team wo ho any other. You know, a lot of these things are happening in that regard.
Was it the first minister by the first cleanup exercise? I'm saying how started.
Oh yeah, no crepa.
And then me baby.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no.
And shall fall about huge.
It's a headache.
I was like, so
yeah.
Jan sana afeni ya attending to say adia ye krana still na
in fact that is one of the setbacks ayenya utimi ekoye adwuma no ho e clear ho e the fire tender ne ba be blow drinks ni mu ho ye kama give yourself 2 days obekọ no na etese de ekoye na
intervention be am from the assembly bia say I'm not sure say be am betimi as that dedicate dustbins in this animal and the aboard. I mean, what does what
we are doing, and we are very close to finalizing. And they say one dedicated sanitation team. The Central Business District. From Akwatia Lai Bombay Street or Eba Besi Abu Station. One has a problem with no. We are putting together a dedicated team. Every day, you will be there to do that. That means, we had the volume of litter or more generate a day now. The dustbins will not help. The bit me
from what me crame well, we have my issues to cry a compound because
good.
Be a Horace project.
Yeah.
Afe will be the bottle free field.
Yes, not the abeto. Not the abeto.
Inti ama management na baby but 87.9 a hono plastics nso ye mo
a lot. And no dominate. There was a time ye clean up exercise no on a Saturday.
Bottles no.
Ye go so aye no ana na ye wie kra around 1 p.m. Ana nsuo kese bi jemu. In fact, baby ameko gina ya mehwe no bottles ne plastics na esa aba no esa say ye adwuma no nyina ntinsuo no te esa te ehugum that day ye we clean up exercise around 6 p.m. Anti plastics no eka ho and I feel say a national policy ebi na who say ye ti no gidi wo ho no
87.9
aha ye Aboabo number 2 close to the storm drain the Aboabo storm drain the Palele ho no
No, this is too much. This is too much. Now we can say it should be a national
policy on the use of plastics. I think say reverted to olden days brand new susano and paper bags no more near the those ones are biodegradable.
Yeah.
Intino say a toba bia na ya mfakra in the next couple of days in so guguswa eno abe disintegrate na aye if you say eno be boa mo na plastics normal drinks na ade ni nyina no yen try na yen go sa route no na ye ko supermarket nso so a bibia na ade ahye polythene mu ama ye ne ade no as much as possible we should be able to discourage those things.
Mekai that exercise national sanitation day, the first one they made in one regional minister by or Drew baby na phobia and command mudi ni say I didn't intimi identify bottles no companies are here on bottles so that we engage them say omu so role also mu play said the bear meaning whether say about with me ba me can assembly so within momo discussions near the akoso bibisa aba so say you want to target we go be fano company
a label was I think it's a brilliant suggestion and I will put across and it's something that we should begin to have a conversation around. Say companies should also play a role. Even if it is a contract or an arrangement with the plastic recycling companies probably a lot in reducing the canker efficacy as a result of a lot of plastic waste. The bar Asokore.
Yes. Uti. Sorry, yes. And anano, but you said na there was a discussion about Siketia be. We knew where the assembly no more attention was drawn to that thing. Yes, is ke bi e wo site ho.
Yeah, and okay. Say kick up a year manual echo utino.
Yeah.
Now you pay before you are able to dump. And this answer no cost. I think say that is what is happening now. A problem. Gradually that place is also getting full. And we are within an urban setting.
Yeah.
Baby I want you krum. Say outskirts no kakra no wa betimi a plan wo landfill site be e wo honom no how I be manage no. And the conversation at the last time na me management have on we were exploring all of this, but it is still very difficult. Say wuni bi ho. As I say just about a week ago, polyclinic project as I say I had to give the project out to a colleague of mine. And as I say and how do you get a site to serve as a landfill site?
Very difficult. I get it. I get that point. I get it.
It's quite challenging.
I see. And you are so managing it.
Yeah.
Musika say na wa share mu IGF and allocation banwa. Do those say na in terms of percentage into sanitation. But they manage sanitation.
We share your budget no 10% no na say they manage sanitation no. That was around 2.9 million. For
the
entire year. So if say what the 2.9 million a waste a year, I mean you can imagine. It's going to be.
And so far more common.
Oh yeah, quite him.
In terms of Sikano at the scanner more 2.9 million more cover by half.
Oh yeah, more than half.
So an indication that 2.9 million ain't enough to manage.
I mean, so people manage waste effectively. And I won't say a assembly beer no a quota no different. It's not a flat rate.
Yeah.
Into who quota no and I want 10% of that. Okay. Into what I would plead with authorities to consider and say yeah hugely urbanized, you know. A lot of waste generated on a daily basis. And you know probably quota no if something can be done about it in terms of the percentage of a year allocated
10 across
the board and you know say will be the 10 Ghana cedis a 1 cedi and I will use you will be 100 I will use 10 cedis. That is what is actually happening. And you know say you pay more na say at least a 10 cedis you can see use 20% here. You know you are using 2 cedis instead of 1 cedi. I think that will go a lot.
I was saying now what they were feeding up to her. Finwa joining and Honorable Ben Abdallah Alhassan. MCE the ma Asokore Mampong. Only any new din common no pain. Na share yes. I'm waiting to comment about Facebook Akoma 87.9 FM. Na